Bitcoin is pumping, which means the Bitcoin miners are pumping, which means CleanSpark is pumping. This is the monthly chart, and price is about to clear a key level of interest, which was support, resistance, resistance. You can see price hit a double bottom near that $2 level. Scrolling down to the weekly chart, you can see price formed the double bottom on a lower time frame relative to the monthly double bottom, in which price broke through a key level at $5. You can see how price pulled back from another key level, which was, if I was to draw this, I could. However, yeah, it worked once, twice. Price is going to penetrate that zone a bit more. However, there's no volume here, so, and momentum's to the upside. You also have another level here. Now, before we look at the price action or how these levels were formed on a daily chart, let's get into the news. So not only is Bitcoin pumping, Bitcoin miners are pumping, CleanSpark is pumping because they had impressive fiscal Q1 report earnings. So CleanSpark saw its stock pump over 9% in after hours. That's being extended into Friday's trading day, as it surpassed Wall Street estimates for Q1 earnings and revenue. Specifically, the mining firm posted earnings per share of 14 cents, significantly better than the loss of 22 cents per share as anticipated. So Wall Street was expecting a loss, but they made a profit in terms of EPS. Company's revenue reached 74 million, exceeding the consensus estimates of 66 million. Now, one thing to note, maybe they were expecting a loss because they weren't expecting Bitcoin to be where it's at. Now, in recent weeks, we saw the Bitcoin miners sell their Bitcoin, right, to fund operations. So I'm sure what helped CleanSpark was they sold Bitcoin as well, which ended up being and making a profit for the company. Company also saw a substantial increase in its cash position, with cash and cash equivalents rising by 66% quarter over quarter to 48.5 million. Again, they sold Bitcoin. This quarter's performance is a powerful reminder of what we're capable of when we channel our collective efforts toward a common goal. Importantly, it sets the stage for what's to come, said the CEO, and I agree. What's to come is at least a double in the stock price. In a single quarter, we have covered nearly half of the distance to reach our total revenue from last year, which is crazy. We beat all consensus estimates across the board, including revenue, EPS, and profitability. All right. So let's look at this a bit more on the daily chart. You had another nice level to go long on great volume. That was the origin that took out the pivot highs to the left. So that was a nice daily sellers. Although my zone would have been here, so I would have missed the setup. All right, so here's the zones that we wanted to look at. This is a gap up, and then the next leg down. Really nothing here. Look at that, no really huge volume here. So Bitcoin's going higher. We got the halving in about 68 days. Typically, it rises into the halving, but it moons after the halving. All right, so what are my targets? Let's go out to the monthly chart. All right, target 1, $24. Target 2, $40. This was the last bull market. This was the 2017-2018 bull market. Let's stick with those two targets for now. You're looking at a 3 handle, 3x from current levels. I think we get up here by the end of the year and or early 2025. It all depends. There's talks of Hong Kong approving a ETF. Other countries are going to do the same. And yeah, by the end of this bull market, we could see Bitcoin at easily 6 figures. And we could easily see CleanSpark above $40. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.